I'm tired of this marriage. Get out of my house.
Wait, to complain, I should be the one complaining.
Okay.
I black, you black. I was expecting something like Black Panther, Black Babu. You end up giving. Wait, Nancy.
Jesus.
Chinedu.
Blood of Jesus.
Oh, wait, come this side now. So what do you mean of this?
Is it not what you gave me that I gave back to you?
What did I give you?
Your manhood is not man enough. What?
Yeah, I'm Junior Pope.
Okay guys, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. For people who are coming across my channel for the very first time, this is what I do. I make comedy reaction. I react to the most hilarious comedy on the planet by Nigerian comedians, mostly Nigerians, and believe me, they are the best. I give you the best. So just sit back, relax, and stay with me while we have some fun.
I'm so confused.
Edoboy! Loud.
See my blood! You don't tell me say you don't catch clients now.
That's what you do your head. Clients, rubbish. Change your ways. And my friend be that, Ricky.
Jesus.
Your friend? Yes, now. That's Ricky. She work with Angel Gift Card. Angel Gift Card is the best place to sell your gift cards. Even me, that's why I sell my gift card. All you need to do is just to download their app, Angel Gift Card, or add them up on WhatsApp. The best thing about them is that they have the highest price in Nigeria. And they tell you. See, and lastly, payment is very fast. Transaction is very safe and secure.
Mado, I am not showing the app.
See, you said you go like her, I tell you.
I don't see him.
Now, later now.
I'm so confused.
Hey! Sharp.
You
don't run the girl.
My new boyfriend, Loudy.
For this life, man.
Hey, your new boyfriend.
Yes? Jesus. Okay, I'm going to do something else inside. Feel free at home.
Just like that. This guy is a sharp guy.
See me if you at home.
Really, Prince? My friend will just show you.
I get me this is the love of my life.
Lodi, you love her.
Yes, now. My missing ribs, safe.
No complaint.
Loudy!
Hey, Ricky, baby.
Sharp. You don't run the day. What's going on here?
Hey! What's the meaning of this?
You're asking me what's the meaning of this?
What is not the meaning of this?
I'm tired of this marriage. Get out of my house.
Wait, to complain, I should be the one complaining.
Okay.
I black, you black. I was expecting something like Black Panther, Black Babu. You end up giving. Wait, Nancy.
Jesus.
Chinedu.
Blood of Jesus.
Oh,
There they go.
wait, come this side now. So what do you mean of this?
Is it not what you gave me that I gave back to you?
What did I give you?
Your manhood is not man enough. What?
Yeah, I'm Junior Pope.
Junior Pope.
I'm finishing your sperm. You be boy me now.
No worry, I'm calling doctor for DNA test.
Yeah, hello?
I want to go for DNA test.
And the dollar rate is very high.
What? What's it concern dollar and I want to go for DNA test. How much?
800,000 naira.
800k.
What?
No worry, I love my wife. No. Doctor, this boy don't die.
Come for mortuary now.
But motor you don't fool now.
Breaking leg, breaking head.
What?
Fold them like a badge.
Spirit don't come back.
Never see anything.
You go wake.
What
You don't wake.
Where you going? Step for back and get out of my
Yeah.
house. What? Let's see.
See you in court.
Inside.
See you, which court?
Court.
What be this? They go court too.
This is finally case of I black, you black, and no be waiting you give me, I give you.
Oh,
Toby, where is your lawyer?
see you in court. They don't take court.
Thank you.
Okay.
My love.
What?
Sorry.
My love.
My lord.
Hey, God.
I don't want peace.
May I?
Last time that you carry come.
You never see anything.
What's it with that?
The recreational
What's going on here?
and the functional. Oh God. And the functional.
You never talk finish. Yay! Hey!
Landed. Mrs. Obi,
My lord.
where's your lawyer?
I'm here.
What is that?
Oh! Oh!
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Oh! You sure say no be this person give her born all his children?
I don't want peace.
Maria.
No need again, no need again. No need again. Now pizza you go by. Hey. You know they complete.
Give me Chesterfield.
Hey, money don't fall. Ooh, you don't match up.
God have mercy upon us. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
What's going on here?
They smoke Igbo. God have mercy upon us.
Last time we go pick the money. Ah! I'm fucking down close. Oh, that's still there.
Because of 2K, now I don't deserve to this money. Active.
The moves are active. This same OYIBO girl.
My G, you like her? You want her? Round the nest now. Too short to my too sure you were gonna straight forward and get to kill. 247 me a day. You don't trust me again? I don't feel on talk now. See, she don't come self.
Sharp.
Why you give me polo? I be this an Angel gift card they ask for.
Hey.
Angel gift card. Which one be that one? They are the best trading platform now in Nigeria. They buy all types of gift cards. They are trusted and reliable. In fact, let me tell you, they have the highest price in Nigeria.
You don't take style, do adverts for us.
Or message on WhatsApp. What be polo they talk about?
Now the babe.
Now the babe.
I know.
The babe. I'm not married woman. Hey! Come on, go.
You don't take style, and do adverts for us. Join us. Who they join you? But you still see something collect now. You see free Showboi.
Wow, you know they see me. Balo, Sisieko. Let me they follow talk like that. For this I bet nobody they follow me talk like that. You don't want yourself ni. Oh yeah, in fact, stand up, I want to send you a message. You want to send me a message? Nobody for this area have sent me a message. Yeah. They play. My phone.
My mom is over my back. I know you ever.
Hello. Nami kekereke, tiokero.
You don't send that message.
I want me you help me use JBL. Play me short skirt by Nasboy ASAP.
I don't pass a man. Supposed to be. I think the house be this now. But why he can't change? What's happen? No. DK go tell me. In park come out, they can't buy the land, no tell me. Hello, DK.
Yeah, for now.
You don't relocate. You not tell me, and they don't collect your land. Now your house.
Yeah, that is my house. I actually bought it off recent. That's like my son.
I don't understand. No, the fence now white or the gates now.
Yeah, that is my newly built house. So.
DK.
What? That's my newly.
You build new house.
Yeah, I just built it recently, so it's actually one of
DK, you use me. No wonder no progress. You use me, I don't know. Fine, no problem. So you use me, do ritual. Oh yeah, how much be my shit? Even if I 1,000, make.
I bought the house because I'm into crypto now, so I trade Moria Exchange.
Moria Exchange.
All my BTC gift cards.
You the house now.
No, I'm not home. I actually went out.
I no one know where you did at the enter inside your house now.
But you can't go inside.
At the end.
You cannot go inside because of the
Oh, you don't hear dog sound.
I think even at the year dog, but the dog when me at the year, they sound heavy. You get dog inside this house?
That's actually
lion.
Lion how?
I have tiger.
Now zoo you build.
That's why I said you can't.
Which one be make I come inside? I feel come inside now. No be say I fear anything. I feel come inside now. I feel come inside now.
Go now.
If you vex me, no. I go just walk out, enter inside this your house now. But make you know be say are they irresponsible?
Yeah, that's why.
Because now you open gates so.
I told you I think the animal is actually coming outside.
Not be open gate to me at the year, so I hear him.
Yeah,
who open gates? No.
Yeah, I think one of the animals are outside.
One of the tiger, I'll be one of the lion. Which one?
At a few finger, like 4 fingers, they touch my knicker. DK, be like your animal. DK, come outside now. DK, come outside. DK, something don't bite my leg. Come outside.
It's a bit fear.
Very nice. It's not as nice as you do.
I've been meaning to ask you, Chase.
How to know?
Like, what's the you really want from me? Do you really love me?
I love you from the bottom of my soul.
Wait. Tell me the truth.
Of my crevices.
Tell me the truth. Like, we're still going to be seeing each other. We're still going to be having fun together. Do you understand? I just want to know, do you really love me?
Thing let me tell you the honest truth. You want the honest truth?
Yes.
Thing I have a girlfriend. I just want us to knock each other. Like, I want to give you doggy style.
Wait, I don't understand. You have a girlfriend.
Yeah, but we can just be knocking each other like for fun. Like,
you want the truth now? I don't tell you.
Are you stupid? Are you mad?
Swear, Jesus. You said the truth.
Hey, God. So, all this you love me, everything you have been saying to me, you have been lying to me.
I'm a Yoruba boy now. What do you expect now?
You said you love me.
Yoruba boy,
you said you love me. You said I'm your everything.
You're everything on the bed.
Yeah. If you ever call my number again, I will kill you. You are very stupid. You are mad.
But you said you said the truth.
Get out.
You said it
so you cannot lie. You have to tell me the truth. So you are just using me for my body. You don't love me.
What is enough for me?
You are mad. God will punish you. You are very stupid.
I like
God
this
will punish you.
I like this guy. You said the truth. You always said the truth, and now you're angry. Hey! This guy, you wicked though. What you want to go on your
Are you whining yourself?
Mommy, yes, she just.
You don't know so that police she call. Now police she go call now. You don't get
What's that one now?
If you want this relationship to continue, you have to come see my parents in the village.
I should go all the way to your village just to see your parents.
You can't go to the village to see my parents, yeah? You don't love me enough, alright?
I love you. Who place? But that your village, that your state. Hope, who's Odimma?
Who's Odimma? The road is good.
I'll come and see your parents next week in the village.
Oh, so the road is good. Hope don't collect some. Hope don't collect some.
Where they go? Mom, I want to go my baby village. I want to pay a bride price. You serious? Yes, now. I love that girl die. I must marry her. Yeah. So I'm traveling to her village today.
I'm on a fantastic car this guy carry. My baby village. You said all the good though.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm your daughter boyfriend. I come and ask for hand in marriage.
Someone else have married her already. Where were you?
After all the stress, beware of dogs. Sure, say dog did this place. Beware of dogs. Hey! This guy na mumu. This guy na mumu. Because I want chop. You know how many person come follow and chop. This guy no get sense. This guy no get sense. Like this guy is he's a crazy guy. Why not just carry your food and go inside the house now? Which kind of nonsense be now? Because say you want chop, you don't want people to join you. You go to formulate dog for MP. Hey God, not even person no go see. Very, very funny. Very, very funny. Anyway, thank you guys for sticking to the very end. I believe you liked it, because me, I really enjoyed it. You understand? Like I always tell you guys, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time and you are yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe. And you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out. Drop nice comments, guys, and share this video. See you in the next one. Love and peace.